Base of knowledge of the Bialystok University of Technology. Instruction. Approving discipline. Update of the statement. Go to the website of the Base of Knowledge Bialystok University of Technology. In the upper right corner, change language to English. Then select Login. Enter your login details. The Base of Knowledge uses the federated login service. Go to your author profile by clicking on your avatar, and then select your username. In the author's profile, select the Researcher Report button. By default, a statement authorizing you to demonstrate the employee's achievements will appear in the report creator. Click Download. Publications requiring discipline approval are included in Part 2 of the statement. Select the publications in which you want to validate the discipline. Click Define the scientific discipline of the selected publications. A window for selecting the discipline will appear. Once you have identified your discipline, mark the declaration of the author about scientific discipline of the publication. Click Apply and close. The publication with the approved discipline will be moved to the Part 1 of the statement. Check the completeness and correctness of the displayed data. Click Approve at the bottom of the screen. The PDF document can be downloaded at the top of the statement. Update of the statement. If a message appears in the author's statement, note, the status of discipline approvals has changed since the report was approved. And in the second point, there are no publications requiring approval of the discipline. It is enough to cancel the statement and approve it again. If a message appears in the author's statement, note, the status of discipline approvals has changed since the report was approved. Note, some records require approval of discipline. You must cancel the statement. Approve the discipline in the publication in point 2. Next, approve the statement again. Change of discipline in a publication. If there is a need to change the discipline of a publication or update the statement, cancel the statement and start editing it again. Select the publication for which you want to change the discipline and click Define the discipline of selected publications. When the window appears, uncheck Skip Already Approved Publications. Then, change the discipline. You can select a different discipline from the drop-down list. Once you have identified your discipline, mark the declaration of the author about scientific discipline of the publication. Click Apply and close. Make your statement again. If you have any question, please contact the Scientific Information Department of the Bialystok University of Technology Library.